only contingent is the inspiring presence of Sri P. Sabari Selvam, who served in the prisons department as a warder for 16 years, recognized for his outstanding contributions and was honored with the prestigious Chief Minister's Award, Medal for Excellence in Prisons and Correctional Services in the year 2022. With firm dedication, he took an oath to rise through the ranks and successfully achieved his dream of becoming an officer in the same department. A remarkable journey of commitment and pursuit. Ladies and gentlemen, we now witness a display of discipline, coordination and precision as the parade commander leads the contingent in the column of threes and structured movement. As the squad steps forward, each officer maintains perfect alignment, synchronized steps and persistent focus, exemplifying the higher standards of training and discipline. As the disciplined footwork and the rhythmic precision of marching officers. The parade being led by Sri Sivanandan N. JLA from Tamil Nadu of the 32nd batch basic course. Basically a graduate in history and was a former employee of the revenue department, had renounced his job for the noble service in the prisons department. Leading this proud contingent, a symbol of leadership and command, as John C. Maxwell once said, a leader is one who knows platoon, being led by Sri Muthukumar M, assistant jailer from the same batch, and உலகத்தில் 7 அதிசயங்கள் உண்டு, ஆனால் எனக்கு ஒரே அதிசயம் என் தமிழ் மொழிதான் என தமிழ் பயின்றவர். Not only that, he has served for 7 long years in the same department as warder and a best shooter of his basic training as warder. Participated as contingent for Tamil Nadu Prison Department in the Republic Day Parade. Second platoon is led by again an interesting officer, Sri K. Kalanidhi, a computer science engineer who also served the prisons department for 7 years and was awarded Best in Prison Service and Best Kids Inspection for 2 years. A young motivated officers, I request a big round of applause for these achievers. We have around 23 engineers in this batch. Among these, 5 are jailers, including the parade commander, Sri Sivanandan. Sri Murugesan, who is a B.Tech in Poultry Production Technology. Sri Rajesh Khanna, basically a B.Tech in Agriculture. The friendliest person who had APCA training twice, once as assistant jailer and now as gazetted officer. Sri Venkata Subramaniam, mechanical engineer. Sri Ratna Kumar, an electrical and electronics engineer. We have a bunch of women officers, among whom an interesting woman officer who should be celebrated with awards for her perseverance and consistent efforts. An officer who has served 20 years in the prisons department as warder and head warder and was decorated with the Honorable Chief Minister's Medal for Good Service by the Tamil Nadu government. And her quest for development never stopped, so took a great step to equip herself, and there she is now as assistant jailer in the same department. A big round of applause to Srimati E. Shivasakti for her motivation and achievement. Then Aarti, a gold medalist in physics, a biomedical engineer, and a great singer of the batch. Miss Arokya Selvi, we have other Miss Arokya Selvi, a biomedical engineer. We have other male officers like mechanical engineers, marine engineer, and environmental engineer, Guru Balaji, electronics and instrumentation engineer, Praveen Kumar and Sriram. Under the command of the parade commander, the unit will now transition into the review order. As the drums roll and the bugle sound, the contingent enters into review order. Please be seated. May I now request our Director APCA, Sri B. Pradeep, to present the welcome address and the course report.
Chief guest of the passing out parade, Dr. Mahesh Dayal, IPS Sir, Honorable Chairperson, Board of Management of APCA, and Director General of Prisons and Correctional Services, Tamil Nadu, Senior Prison Officers, other invitees, professors, instructors, staff and trainee officers of 32nd, 33rd and 45th batches, family members of the 32nd batch officers, representatives from media, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you. It is my distinct honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the passing out parade function. Since its inception in 1979, APCA has trained around 8,000 prison and correctional officers from across the country. That is the passing out parade of the 32nd batch of the 9-month basic training course for prison officers. We are truly honored to have with us Dr. Mahesh Dayal, IPS Sir, Honorable Chairperson, Board of Management of APCA, and Director General of Prisons and Correctional Services, Tamil Nadu, as the Chief Guest. Sir, on behalf of APCA, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome, sir. We are indeed grateful to you for taking the time to join us. Sir, your presence is a testament to the importance that you are giving to APCA and an inspiration to all of us. Welcome, sir. Further, I extend a warm welcome to all the senior prison officers, invitees, professors, instructors, staff and trainee officers of 32nd, 33rd and 45th batches, family members of the 32nd batch officers, representatives from the media to this POP function. Once again, welcome and thank you for being a part of this special occasion. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind. Yes, next one is course report. Honorable Chief Guest, senior officers from the Prisons Department, other dignitaries, professors, outdoor instructors, guest faculty members, staff, trainee officers, and their family members, representatives from press and media, good morning. It is a great privilege and honor to stand here to present the course report of the 32nd batch of the 9-month basic training course for prison officers. The academy has organized the 32nd batch of the 9-month basic training course from 10th July 24 to 9th April 25 for 5 directly recruited jailers and 37 recruited assistant jailers from the state of Tamil Nadu. Among the officers who are passing out today, one officer is a postgraduate in engineering. One officer is a postgraduate in criminology. 2 officers are postgraduates in science. 20 officers are engineering graduates. 3 officers have BSc in agricultural science. 7 officers are science graduates. And 8 officers have graduation in arts subjects. In this batch, out of the 42 officers, 1 officer earlier joined the prisons department as assistant jailer and again got selected as jailer. 5 officers were already working in the prisons department as warders. 1 officer was working as assistant and 3 other officers were working as junior assistants in various government departments. 1 officer has served as junior revenue inspector and another officer has worked as forest guard. The batch also has an ex-serviceman who earlier served in the Indian Army as gunner. This batch is a unique batch because rarely the academy gets a batch consisting of officers from one state alone for the basic course. During the training, the officers were given indoor training in the following modules: prison and correctional administration, criminology and victimology, penology and alternatives to imprisonment, sociology and social work, psychology, criminal laws and minor acts, human rights for good prison management, Constitution of India, management principles for prison officers, criminal justice system, forensic science and technology in prison administration. The classes were conducted by means of audio-visual methods, group discussions, group exercises, videos, source, and presentations by trainee officers. The outdoor modules include physical efficiency training, parade, drill with arms, drill without arms, and crowd control drills and techniques. The officers were also trained in firearms such as 9mm pistol, 7.62 mm SLR and 9 mm carbine. Besides, the officers were given training in unarmed combat and self-defense techniques, life-saving skills, yoga, meditation, and swimming. The officers were taken on field visit to central prisons, district jails, sub-jails, institutions under Juvenile Justice Act, police and prison training institutes, armed reserve police camp, fire and rescue service station, forensic lab, NGOs working in prisons, etc. As part of training curriculum, the officers had a national level tour to study the prison administration and to learn the best practices in prisons of various states. They visited different category of prisons in New Delhi, Agra, Amritsar, Pathankot, Dharmshala, Shimla, Chandigarh, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, and institutions such as National Human Rights Commission, New Delhi, Bureau of Police Research and Development, New Delhi, National Institute of Skill Development, Shimla, Institute of Correctional Administration, Chandigarh, Atari Wagah border, and the INS Kalinga, Indian Naval Base, Visakhapatnam. The officers underwent a 5-day long specialized training course on e-prisons conducted by a team of experts from the Tamil Nadu Prisons Department with special interest and support from our Honorable Chairperson and the Director General of Prisons and Correctional Services, Tamil Nadu, Dr. Magesha Dayal Sir, IPS. Then first aid and CPR by a team of doctors from CMC Vellore, firefighting training by the Fire and Rescue Service Department, and training on building maintenance and electrical safety by the senior engineer from Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Apart from the regular classes, the batch was given special guest lectures by senior prison officers. At the end of the training, the officers appeared for the final examination, for which question papers and evaluation of answer sheets were done by academics from reputed universities and academic institutions. Evaluation of outdoor training was conducted by a team of experts, which include an examiner in the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police from the District Armed Reserve Police. A Viva voce was conducted as the final step of evaluation to make an overall assessment of the trainee officers' performance and to determine what they had learned during the training and to assess the knowledge they had gained in order to align them with the prison work. The panel for the Viva voce included the director, the deputy director, the professor in charge of the training, and Sri G. Shanmugasundaram, Deputy Inspector General Prisons, Vellore Range. Today, in this passing out parade, I proudly announce that most officers were qualified with the distinction and in first class and not less than that. As many as 12 medals, namely 2 special appreciation medals, medal for best in prison and correctional administration, medal for best penology and alternatives to imprisonment, medal for best in criminology and victimology, medal for best in criminal laws and minor acts, medal for best in psychology, sociology, social work and human rights, medal for best in subjects, medal for best in shooting, medal for best in parade, medal for best in outdoor, and finally best all-rounder medal are being awarded to the officers in recognition of their outstanding performance. In conclusion, the 9-month basic course has equipped the trainee officers with the essential knowledge, certain skills and values required for effective service in the Prisons and Correctional Services Department. This program has emphasized not only security and operational procedures, but also the importance of empathy, rehabilitation, and upholding human rights and dignity. By fostering a deep understanding of the challenges and the responsibilities inherent in the corrections profession, the course has prepared officers to contribute meaningfully to the safe and secure confinement of the prison inmates. Their reformation followed by effective reintegration and ultimately the betterment of society. The dedication shown throughout this training marks a significant step forward towards ensuring professional excellence and ethical conduct in all aspects of prison management. With these lines, I conclude the course report of the 32nd batch of the 9-month basic training course for prison officers. I wish all the officers of 32nd batch a fruitful, bright and successful career ahead. Thank you. Take care.
Very much, sir, for presenting the course report. We have come to the most precious, awaited moment of this day, the presentation of medals and awards. I'll just read out the roll numbers. Please be ready. Roll number 32032, roll number 32011, roll number 32023, roll number 32015, roll number 32021, roll number 32037, roll number 32021, roll number 32015. I request the chief guest to kindly award the medals and awards. So please. Best in Prison and Correctional Administration, awarded by the Government of Karnataka, goes to roll number 32007, Sri Armugaraj B, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu, Sri Armugaraj B. Please give a big round of applause. Best in Prison and Correctional Administration. Best in Penology and Alternatives to Imprisonment, awarded by the Government of Andhra Pradesh, goes to roll number 32037, Sri Sivanandam M, Jailer from Tamil Nadu, who is also the Parade Commander. Sri Sivanandam M, Jailer, Tamil Nadu. Best in Penology and Alternatives to Imprisonment. Best in Criminology and Victimology, awarded by APCA and Sri R. Seraladan, former DIG Prisons, Tamil Nadu, goes to roll number 32011, Sri Gunanidhi K, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu, Sri Gunanidhi K. Best in Criminology and Victimology. Best in Criminal Laws and Minor Acts awarded by APCA and Sri P. Varadachari goes to roll number 320323, Sri Nirmal G, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Sri Nirmal G, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Best in Criminal Laws and Minor Acts. Best in Psychology, Sociology and Social Work and Human Rights awarded by APCA goes to roll number 32015, Sri Jodiram M, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Best in Psychology, Sociology, Social Work and Human Rights. 3 subjects put together. And Best in Subjects awarded by the Government of Kerala goes to roll number 32015, Sri Jodiram M, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Sri Jodiram M, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Best in Subjects. This is the total of all the indoor subjects awarded by the Government of Kerala. Best in Shooting awarded by APCA goes to roll number 32021, Sri Murugesan A, Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Sri Murugesan A, Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Best in Shooting. Best in Parade awarded by APCA goes to roll number 32037, none other than Sri Sivanandam M, Jailer from Tamil Nadu, the parade commander. Sri Sivanandam M, Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Best in Parade. Best in Outdoor for all the outdoor activities goes to roll number 32021, Sri Murugesan A, Jailer from Tamil Nadu, awarded by APCA. Sri Murugesan A, Jailer from Tamil Nadu, for being best in outdoor. And there is a special appreciation award awarded by APCA for 2 best performers. Special appreciation award awarded by APCA goes to roll number 32032, Sri Ram Vignesh S, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu, for his wonderful performance during the training. He has kept us healthy and active. Special Appreciation Award. The next Special Appreciation Award awarded by APCA goes to Sri Rajashekar S, Assistant Jailer Tamil Nadu, roll number 32030. Sri Rajashekar S, Assistant Jailer Tamil Nadu. The best well-disciplined officer in the batch. Special Appreciation Award awarded by APCA. And now we move on to the most awaited, coveted medal of the batch, whose names will be inscribed in the APCA Best All-Rounder. And it goes to the Best All-Rounder medal awarded by the Tamil Nadu Police Department goes to none other than roll number 32015, Sri Jyotiram M, Assistant Jailer from Tamil Nadu. Please give him a big round of applause. Sri Jyotiram M, Assistant Jailer, Tamil Nadu, for his wonderful performance both in indoor and outdoor activities. Best all-rounder of the batch. Thank you very much, sir, for awarding the medals. For awarding the medals to the officers. Now I take this pride, privilege and opportunity to introduce to you all the chief guest of the day. Dr. Maheshwar Dayal belongs to 1997 batch of IPS. He holds BCom Honours, MBA, MPhil, Future Studies, MPM, MA, Population Studies, MPhil Strategy Studies and PhD degrees. He has served as Deputy Commissioner Law and Order, Tirunelveli City, Tiruchirappalli City, SP Virudunagar, SP Nilgiris, SP Nagapattinam, DIG DC Gargan, Haryana, IGP Economic Offences Wing, IGP CISF, IGP CRPF in Jharkhand, IGP Deputy Director Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, IGP and ADGP CRPF Cobra, while serving as DC Law and Order, Tirunelveli City and Superintendent of Police, Virudunagar District, handled caste and communal conflicts effectively and restored communal harmony. He also worked as DC Law and Order, Tiruchirappalli City and SP of the districts of Nagapattinam and the Nilgiris, where he maintained the law and order effectively, prevented crimes with public participation. On intercadre deputation, Sir worked as DCP Gargan, Haryana, and provided public-friendly policing and maintained law and order effectively. While serving as Deputy Director General in Bureau of Police Civil Aviation Security, Sir led the delegation for technical study of Heathrow Airport, London, UK, and also improvised the civil aviation security training structure. While serving as Inspector General Jharkhand in CRPF, where he achieved significant success in anti-Naxal operations through quality neutralizations, apprehensions and surrender of numbers of top-ranking Maoist leaders and recovery of large number of arms, ammunitions, IEDs and explosives. For his unblemished service, exceptional courage and operational acumen, Sir was awarded DG CRPF's Commendation Disc and Certificate in 2021. Sir headed the prestigious Cobra sector of CRPF, which conducted anti-Naxal offensive operations in states of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, etc. Currently, Sir is serving as Director General of Prisons and Correctional Services. For the above said outstanding work, Sir was awarded President's Police Medal for meritorious service on the occasion of Independence Day in 2021. May I now take the privilege of requesting Sir to deliver the Chief Guest address.
Director of APCA, Mr. Pradeep, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, proud cadet officers, dear training officers of other batches, parents, friends from media, good morning to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today as chief guest for the passing out parade of 32nd batch of 9-month basic course for prison officers. As the chairperson of Board of Management of this prestigious institution, the Academy of Prison and Correctional Administration, Vellore, I feel honored to witness the culmination of a significant phase in your professional journey. Today's occasion reminds me of my own passing out parade, where the length of chief guest speech mattered more than the content. So I'll keep it brief. Congratulations to each one of you, the 5 jailer training officers and 37 assistant jailer training officers, for successfully completing this rigorous and transformative training. You have reached a significant milestone in your journey as prison and correctional professionals. This academy, AAPCA, has a rich legacy of shaping generations of correctional officers from across the country, and I'm proud that Tamil Nadu continues to play a pivotal role in upholding that legacy. Under the able leadership of Director Shri Pradeep and with the dedicated guidance of professors, resource persons, outdoor instructors from Prison Department and Police Department of Tamil Nadu, AAPCA continues to maintain high standards in training, character building and professional excellence. Your training has equipped you with tools, skills and values needed to face the complexity of prison management, to handle not just the iron gates and security systems, but also the human souls that lie behind these bars. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. As the legendary leader and a long-time prisoner himself, Mr. Mandela had said, during our training, you have not only been introduced to the laws, procedures and operational protocols, but also sensitized to the evolving role of prison administration, from custodial supervision to correctional rehabilitation. You have received hands-on exposure to real prison environments, learning the nuances of discipline, security, inmate management, human rights, and correctional programs. These are not just lessons for the job, these are lessons for life. You may be aware that e-prison, the digitization of prison records, improving data accessibility and management, is changing the world in a big way. It enables real-time monitoring and reporting, reducing errors and enhancing institutional accountability. It also integrates with courts and police, facilitating smoother prison movement and timely information sharing. You may also be aware that interoperable criminal justice system, allowing seamless information flow, connecting police, courts, prisons, forensics, is about to bring a remarkable change in all of our professional lives. It will help fulfilling mandates from the Supreme Court and central agencies on criminal justice integration. I would request you to develop a more and more technology-oriented aptitude to feel at home in this new environment. Before I conclude, I wish to place on record my appreciation for faculty, staff and administrators of AAPCA for their tireless efforts in shaping the future leaders of our correctional services. I also commend the families of training officers whose support and sacrifice have made this journey possible. To the outgoing training officers, I once again congratulate you and wish you all success, strength and wisdom as you begin your service to the department and to the society. Let me conclude with one last message which is much needed for you at this juncture. A prisoner comes to prison as a punishment, not for punishment. I hope that will be your guiding light in this long and fabulous professional journey. My best wishes to you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir, for that wonderful motivating message, as well as the concluding remarks. A prisoner comes to prison as punishment, not for punishment. Thank you, sir. Thank you once again. I request our Director AAPCA to kindly present a token of memory to the Chief Guest, and I request the Chief Guest, our Chairperson AAPCA, to kindly accept the same. Sir, please. Today's Chief Guest, Dr. Maheshwar Daya, Chairperson AAPCA and Director General of Prisons, Tamil Nadu, for gracing this occasion with their presence and for the excellent message to the passing out batch officers. Thank you very much, sir. I thank Sri Shanmugha Sundaram, DIG Prisons, for his presence and support in all possible ways. I thank our Director for being the man behind the success of this passing out parade, by looking into each and every aspect of the various activities of this parade and for having confidence in the entire gamut of staff. Thank you very much, sir. I also would like to thank Sri Dharmaraj, Superintendent Central Prison Vellore, who never denied any support or even disagreed any request from the Director APCA. Thank you very much, sir, for your kind support. We thank Ms. Andal, Superintendent Special Prison for Women Vellore, for her support. And I thank Professor R. Kanagaraj and his outdoor team, Sri Sundara Pandian, Sri Perumal and Sri Devendran, for their tiresome efforts in making passing out parade a memorable one. I must extend a special thanks to Sri R. Kanagaraj and Sri Perumal, who fell sick just months before this POP and yet contributed their maximum for the success of this parade. Thank you very much, Mr. Kanagaraj and Sri Perumal. I thank Professor Dr. A. Madanraj for keeping the trainee officers healthy throughout their training and for providing nutritious meal to the officers to keep them strong. I thank Professor Dr. Ansar for his contribution in conducting indoor training, planning and other related work. We also thank Mrs. Pavitra for extending help in every possible way to all the faculty and for equipping them in e-prisons and technology in prisons. I should mention here a special thanks to librarian Dr. Geeta for her strenuous efforts in organizing the whole function and for her hard work in arranging this parade ground. Thank you very much, Dr. Geeta. I thank, we recognize the presence of the guest faculty over here, Sri Munivelu, former DIG of prisons, and Sri Pari and other resource persons who are yet to join us. We also recognize the presence of Thiru Radhakrishnan, ADSP from PRS Vellore, Sri Jayakumar, DSP from AR Vellore. Thank you very much, sir, for joining. I thank the resource persons, other than regular APCA resource persons, well-wishers, the friends and family of the officers for your presence and motivation. I thank the press and media for your support in taking the good news about APCA to the world. Thank you so very much for your long-term support. Thank you. I thank everyone present here. Thank you. I thank a special thanks to the band party from Police and Prisons Department. Thank you very much for your contribution. A special thanks to the chairperson APCA for deputing them for the parade. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, one and all. May I now request the party to peel off the march. And now we come to the final ceremonial moment of this grand parade, the dignified and well-coordinated Peel of March. With precision and elegance, the contingents begin to peel off, turning away in well-drilled synchrony, marking the close of their formal march past. The peel-off is not a retreat, but a salute to the parade well executed. It is a graceful conclusion executed with the same discipline and dignity as every step that preceded with it. Watch as each contingent turns away in perfect rhythm. The seamless curve, this graceful exit, is a final testament to their training and unity and pride. We have on the Vellore AR band team, K. Rajadurai, clarinet, J. Radhakrishnan, sax, Real Arish Babu, bass drum, S. Manikandan, cymbals, Deena Dayalan, bass drum, Sri Magesh, clarinet, Naveen, Inspector of Police, Sri Kesavan, Sri Kalani. From the prisons, Sri Kalimuthu, Sri Ratnakumar, Sri Balamurugan, Sri Ilango, Sri Dinesh Kumar, Sri Prashant, Sri Yovan, Sri Charlson, Sri Nijantan, Sri Dhanapal, Sri Sundar.
Muthukumar, assistant jailer from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Sivanandam, jailer from Tamil Nadu, sir. Kalanidhi, assistant jailer from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Hop, 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 hop.
Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for your wonderful presence. Thank you, sir. May I request the 32nd batch to quickly join for the group photo session.